How to fix Facebook and unexpected error occurred, please try again. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, move into General, and then head over to iPhone Storage. Once you're in this page, search for the application Facebook. Once you find it, move into it. Now click on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. Once the app has been offloaded, the next thing you want to do is go back to settings once again and move into apps. Search for the application Facebook and then move into it. In this page, you have to make sure that the background app refresh is turned on. It will automatically refresh your app. After that, now go back and head over to the App Store. Search for the application Facebook. Move into this app. Right here, you need to make sure that the Facebook application is up to date. If not, simply click on Update and update it to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.